Hi friends, Nicole Vincent here. Today we're checking out this 3D bouquet flower greeting card. This comes nice and flat. It comes with a beautiful gold envelope that will fit so you can give it or ship it to whomever you would need to. If you need to ship it, it's going to cost a little extra postage, so be aware of that. But you simply slide this out. This is a beautiful sunflower and other flower bouquet. Pinch the bottom and you've got a beautiful 3D bouquet. This is probably about 8 to 10 inches tall. It looks so beautiful from every angle. Look how vibrant the colors are. The bottom is super cute too. This would look so cute on your nightstand, on your desk, or whatever. It also does come with a 3x5 blank card. This is a gray tone, but just so you can write your individual greeting. This is not specified for any specific occasion, so you can customize it to whatever occasion you need. Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, just because, happy birthday, I love you, I am sorry, whatever. But just a beautiful paper bouquet for flowers that will not die to brighten someone's day. I hope you and those that you send this to love it as much as I do.